Everyone, my name is Aezza Bajwa and today we're gonna do a simple painting. For that you would need some dark blue, and for that also you would need red, yellow, white, black. And for that you just need some paintbrushes, a canvas, nothing else. Now let's begin the vlog. Now first of all, you wet your canvas. All done. You have to start with the dark blue. If you have a makeup brush or a simple kind of brush, you first wet it and then you dip it in the dark blue. Let's begin. Also, first you would add the dark blue. Ooh, that is a lot. Now the dark blue is finished and also watch as well. Now we put it down. On the sides, make sure the whole canvas is covered with it. Now it's all done. Next you have to add the light blue in color. Now you take the light blue on your color and make sure to add lines so you can almost done. Just from the sides. Just a little bit, make sure, but do the things with your mom so you can do very quick. Or even dad. Or your grand. Whoever you have in your house. Inside, every side, every color, you can here. It's okay, that's ready, you can wash it. Just turn the side up. Just enjoy your working, so if your brush is finished, and I can get the brush off, then wait. Now we have to add the red color. Red. I love red. Red makes me yummy thinking. Good thinking about the hot sauce which burger last night I ate. Now we will add on the side again. So put the red. Oh, that's yellow. Now we will add the yellow on the most end. Now we're all done painting. Now let's be sure. Now first let your canvas get dry, then make sure to turn on the fan so your canvas can get dry, and make sure the canvas first gets dry fully. And then after that you can do the next painting. Yeah. Now you have to draw some buildings, and then you have to add some black in color. So first we dip a small paintbrush or a brush for doing makeup. Now you have to put the black in color inside. Now let's use the colors when we're using the outside. Make sure that you are doing the lines. Now we're done with. Now you have to use the black in color and with a paintbrush, and then fill it in the buildings. So now I'm done building the painting. So I'm done doing the building. So see my drawing. So as it's all light in color and it's all over dark everywhere. So for that, I'm gonna use yellow to do the lights inside the houses. So now we will add the yellow in color. Little nature. Now I'm done making the lights, see? And now next you use some white in color. You use some white in color and these are the lights. See all over? Now you have to put the white in color and sprinkle it around. First take a brush and take a little white. So much white, I mean, sprinkle it. You have to make some moon and the stars. All done. So let me show you the final. Now this is the final picture. And if you like my vlog, subscribe to my channel and give your videos and pictures also on calls and Instagram. So bye bye. With the drawing.